All right, looking at Dogecoin. Looks like we're getting a nice move for Dogecoin. So weekly MACD has crossed bullish. You're still over all of these moving average, so it's not, it's not shout to the moon bullish yet. I actually had a chart from yesterday. Should still have it here. Yeah, here it is. So Doge gets like bullish over 1670 because you can see the 200-day moving average is up here, the downtrend is up here, and the fib is up here. So Dogecoin over 16.6, in my opinion, is extremely bullish, depending on when it happens. I mean, it looks like you could even blast up here to today, like 16.6, and it would still actually be considered bearish because you're still in a downtrend. So depending on when it happens, I like to confirm things being bullish when it breaks the fib and the downtrend. Like, in other words, let's say you come up here and you break the fib, it doesn't necessarily make it bullish yet because you're still in a downtrend. And just like if you break the downtrend, you would have broken through the fib, so that would make it bullish if that makes any sense. So if I don't think it's going to take this long to play out, but if it breaks out on April 20th, you'll probably see a big ass green candle because that's when there's confluence. Basically, the 200-day moving average is here as well. So if it happens today, it really has to get over 18.5, which I wouldn't expect it to happen today. But if it does, it's got to get over 18.5, and then you should see a candle up to 20 cents pull back, and then probably a moonshot back to 26. So I don't really have much to say. I mean, it's just another green candle. In my opinion, Doge is flipping bullish. So like over the long term, because you can see I keep saying the same thing over and over again. The weekly MACD is flipping bullish, so buyers are coming back in. Look at how low it is. This is the first time it flipped bullish like this since 2020 when it went up to a dollar or wherever the hell it went. So moving on to the Bitcoin pair. That's how the Germans say it. The Bitcoin pair. Yeah, you basically need this move to happen because you're sitting on the 786 from the bottom to the top. So I do think there's a strong possibility that this plays out. I mean, if it's going to be something annoying and just come back to a fib level, like I mean, you can already see 334's resistance, but even something like 418 is a pretty big move. Yeah, that's a 30% gain. Holy shit! So maybe you might even get something like that. A 30% gain would put you up to where? 19.8. Well, let me go back to the original chart. 30% gain would put you at, yeah, see, like it's gotta, if you really want to be bullish, it's really got to be over 20 cents. But the biggest momentum shift would be breaking over 17, 18 cents. Because you can see, like I said before, broken record player, downtrend is in play, the fib is here, the moving average is here. So I'm not getting excited. I mean, I don't even have Doge, but I do want to see it survive. So that way all the retail could get sucked back in and I can finally make money on my shitty Doge on Mars. But I really can't be bullish on Doge until it breaks over 18.5. So I'm going to get rid of this and say 18.5. Well, the fib is there, but the real resistance here is 18.5. So that's pretty much it. Best of luck. As always, none of this is financial advice. You always have to do what's best for you. Get rid of this, and then we'll say, let's assume, you know what, we're not going to assume anything. It's bullish once it breaks over 16 for a move up to 18, and breaking over 18 sends you to the moon. Other than that, it's still in a massive downtrend. However, like I said, broken record player, the MACD is flipping bullish, so the whole idea is buy low, sell high. So buying now, in my opinion, is a better risk of going higher as opposed to buying at 19 cents to get sucked in and then a move to the downside. So right now, if you're already in, you have a downside risk of obviously 11 cents. If it breaks below 11 cents, it's going to zero. Bitcoin's going to 20K. I don't think that happens. So on the macro time frame, people that are buying now, in my opinion, are going to maximize their gain because I do think Doge has another push, at least maybe back to all-time high, probably a dollar. So obviously this is just my opinion. None of this is financial advice, and you always have to do what's best for you.